At NAMICS, our core philosophy is centered around mutual prosperity or the harmonious coexistence between people and nature. Environmental protection and conservation are integral to every aspect of our business and production processes. All NAMICS employees are trained in environmental education to raise awareness and emphasize our mission and green corporate philosophy. Our global headquarters is located in Niigata City, Japan, surrounded by plentiful agricultural fields, beautiful lagoons, and rivers that flow into the Sea of Japan. Since our wastewater also flows through these rivers, it is our top priority to ensure that it is thoroughly cleaned in our state-of-the-art, on-site wastewater purification facilities. We strictly adhere to all regulations and regularly test our emissions to prevent any air pollution in this natural location. Solar farms and panels at several of our locations reduce energy costs and the burden on surrounding areas. Recent facility improvements, such as LED lighting, converting our company car fleet to hybrid vehicles, and optimizing shipping packages, have significantly reduced waste and energy consumption. Through the use of advanced technologies, we have established an aggressive plan to cut our carbon emissions by 46.2% by 2030 and become completely carbon neutral by 2050. While NAMICS has led the way for 75 years in creating products that upgrade lives and cultures around the world, it is just as important for us to be a global leader in leaving our environment better than we found it. To learn more about our company and culture, visit namics-corp.com.